This secret affiliate marketing niche made me $10,000 last week as a brand new beginner. And let me tell you this is a niche that nobody on YouTube is talking about. And it's something that I accidentally stumbled upon myself. And it's something that's completely changed my life. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what we're talking about. I'm going to show you proof of the income, show you exactly what software I'm using and how you can actually get started with it yourself and make an extra couple $1,000s per month using this same affiliate marketing niche. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's talk about proof, because you probably have no idea who I am. So this is Go High Level. And by the way, I'm not selling Go High Level. This is actually how I track my sales for the affiliate marketing niche. So you can see here, customers enrolled. We have $3,982 with 15 customers that came in. And then distributors, you can see that the 6,500. So that's a little over $10,500. So let's just keep it at $10,000 that came in this week. So let's go ahead and let's talk about what is this niche. So this niche is called SaaS affiliate marketing. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you're into affiliate marketing. You understand what that is. This is not the point of this video to teach you what affiliate marketing is, but to open your mind to the idea that there's another niche that I accidentally stumbled across myself because I started as a customer of this software. And when I started promoting it, just like on my Instagram story, it brought me in so many customers that I had to take this thing seriously. And the amount of cash that I generated in a week, I had to take this thing to the next level. So let's talk about what is SaaS affiliate marketing. It's something that you probably never heard before. SaaS stands for software as a service. Okay, so think about a software like Go High Level or ClickFunnels or any kind of software that Netflix, right? Software as a service. These are services that people usually start on a free trial. Maybe it could be a 5-day trial, a 30-day trial, some type of trial. And then after that trial, people want to keep access to that platform, to that service, they need to continue to pay. So Netflix is a perfect example of this. You start on a trial and then you have to continue to pay for the service in order to keep access to it. But did you know that as an affiliate, you could get paid anywhere from 25 up to 50% of something called monthly recurring revenue, or the monthly subscription that people are paying, and you get paid every single month that that customer stays on that service. Now, this is something that I had no idea. I'm a complete beginner. I've never done affiliate marketing in my life. This is something that I stumbled across. So when I saw this idea of software as a service, I know that you can go on YouTube right now. People are talking about building a SaaS product and coding, and I don't know anything about coding. I don't want to hiring a coding team. You're probably the same as me. You're like, I don't want to build a software product, but I want to have the benefits of having a software, which is people paying every single month on a monthly recurring revenue. Because think about this, Netflix is getting that payment every single month. The next thing is no customer fulfillment. Once the customer is using the software, you don't have to actually fulfill the product. If you're running an agency or doing coaching, once that person pays you, that's when your work actually starts. I built my first 7-figure coaching business, and I had to coach people for months on end. So even though somebody paid me thousands of dollars, my work just started. Versus in software, when the person pays you, your work is done. They just continue to use the software services them, and then you go about your life having time, financial, and location freedom. So that was something else that I stumbled upon. By the way, I'm just selling you on something that I was noticing in my own personal life here, promoting this software on accident. So I didn't have to do customer fulfillment and monthly recurring revenue. So you guys saw how I showed you here this payment here of a little under $4,000. Guys, I'm getting that every single month. This is not a one-time payment, where usually somebody pays for, like if you're used to affiliate marketing, maybe on, was it ClickBank or one of the other softwares? I looked at affiliate marketing years ago. So I know you can promote these little programs and services and you get one-time payments. Not in SaaS affiliate marketing, not in software affiliate marketing, because these people are using this software, and it's not Go High Level, by the way, what you're looking at. So I want to get that out of your head right now. Because some of you think, oh, he's promoting Go High Level. I'm not. I'll show you what that software is here in a second. Just I want to open your eyes to this opportunity and then show you proof, and then I'll go into how this all started. But this $4,000 that I just brought in this week, this is going to come every single month. It's stacking monthly recurring revenue. It's so exciting to see that I'm already getting some payments coming in from some trials that I had coming up last month, and it's an amazing opportunity. So that's the benefits of what we started. Now, what exactly is this software? So what this software is, let me go ahead and share my screen here. What this software does is helps people grow their Instagram accounts with real organic followers. Okay. So how I got started with this software was as I told you a couple seconds ago, I have a 7-figure coaching business, doing mindset coaching. And when I was in Medellin, Colombia, I had somebody refer me to these guys that I met, and they were doing some Instagram software, and I was like, you know what? I'm spending about $3,000 a month on ads right now. I'm open to other ways of generating traffic for my coaching business. So I met these guys, sat with them. I heard their software. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit sketched out. I'm like, oh, I have to put my Instagram password, and I don't really know, but the contact that connected me together, I trusted her, so I trusted these guys. I put in my Instagram password, and I tried this software, which I didn't really understand what it did, but when I tried to start on a 5-day trial, they didn't have to sell me on the software. All they had to do was sell me on a 5-day trial. And in that 5-day trial, I made me thousands of dollars. I generated about over $1,500 on a 1-hour consulting call. It brought me in about 300 followers. And what I was doing, because I wasn't promoting this software, I was just running my coaching business, but I was promoting the results that I was getting, showing people these followers that I was getting. And 17 of my friends on my Instagram signed up for a trial that same 5 days, and that I was on a trial. And so I met with the guys after my 5-day trial, after generating thousands of dollars in sales, after gaining hundreds of followers and signing up 17 of my friends. I met with them and I said, guys, what is this software? Because this thing is crushing it, and I can see a 7-figure opportunity whenever, in front of me. And that's when they presented me this idea of software. And that's what I've been doing, guys, is I just been posting my results that I've been getting from my Instagram story. And in this time, I've had, as you saw, 15 people pay for this software. So software affiliate marketing, I don't have to do any customer fulfillment. I don't have to service a customer. I don't have to coach them. I don't have to do any of that. All they have to do is refer people to this software. They start on a free trial. And by the way, I don't even have to sell these people. All I have to do is show them that there's a 5-day trial. And the coolest thing about finding a really good winning software product is after the 5-day trial, if the software is really good, people will want to buy it and they want to keep access to it. So the software will sell itself. So I don't have to hop on a sales call or do anything crazy like that. All I got to do is get them on a free trial. Afterwards, they're like, all right, I want to start on this software and I want to upgrade. And that's all I've been doing. And this is what generated me over $10,000 last week, just promoting the software. So without further ado, what I want to do, that was my story. That's how, how I got started with the software, and then I showed you a little bit how we this idea of software marketing. So now what I want to do is I want to show you the actual software tool itself. Okay, so what this software does, I'll show you here an example here. What this is one of the client accounts that we're working on. So what this software does is it allows people to grow their Instagram following with real organic followers, anywhere from 30 to 100 plus real followers every single day. Now, if a person that's using this software is selling coaching or affiliate marketing or some type of product and service, that's a lot of people that they can sell to. So for me, I started on a trial and it generated me thousands of dollars and paid for the software for the next year just on a free trial. So anybody that's selling coaching or something of this sort will see benefit with this. So basically what this software does is you can target the followers of other people's accounts. So let's look at this, for example. You see where it says, let's just look at this. You see where it says here, her influence co, this Instagram account. You can see that on the software that this particular client has gained 87 real followers from this particular targeted niche. So the followers that these people are getting, they're not fake accounts, because what this software is selling, I guess you can say, is lead generation or cash flow. That the followers that you're going to generate are actually people that are going to buy your products and services. That way people can justify, the customers can justify paying for this software. So they're not paying for fake followers, or then they would just cancel. They're paying for real followers that they can sell their products and services to and continue to scale their respective businesses, whatever business that they're running. That's what these customers are paying for. And so on a 5-day trial, people are gaining 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, 300 real followers every single day. And then at the end of the 5-day trial, they're like, everything gets cut off. And they're like, you know what? I need this software in order to grow my business. So you can see some of the targeting. These are not just random people. You can actually target the type of followers or your customers, whether you want to use it or your customers. They can target the actual people they want to follow. So if they want followers from Colombia or Miami or firefighters or affiliate marketers or women, whatever, you can target people to actually follow you. So let's look at some of the results right here. You can see at the bottom, the second to the bottom, I'm sliding this little thing at the bottom here. You see at the very bottom how it's at the top is actually giving you a date, but at the very bottom, the second to last bubble, it says new followers. So you can see that this customer, they're gaining 40 followers this day, 28 this day, 52 this day, 34, so on and so forth. And even up to today, today's the third, this person as customers gained 31 followers just today alone. Yesterday, 34, the day before that, 40. So you can see that a software like this, customers, they're gaining anywhere from 20 to 40, 50, depending on the person's account, real people every single day. And all I had to do was introduce them to the software, getting them on a 5-day trial. And as you saw, 15 people have purchased this software, bringing me in an extra $4,000 in monthly recurring revenue, MRR. I'm going to start making more content showing you guys what MRR is and this whole business model. Monthly recurring revenue. I just stacked on 4K. So this week we'll stack on another 4K and 4K. So every single month, I'm adding an extra $10,000 per month in monthly recurring revenue where I don't have to service my client. I don't have to do customer fulfillment. And all I have to do is get them on a free trial. And then that's it. And I just been doing this and it's generated me 10K last week. And I'm excited to scale. And now I'm bringing it here to you guys here on this YouTube channel. So if this is something that like is of interest of you, like what I'm helping people do right now is introduce people to this opportunity. So you have two options that you can do. If you want to get started in software affiliate marketing, SaaS affiliate marketing, tap into an untapped market. Find somebody on YouTube talking about SaaS affiliate marketing. There is nobody. I think this is one of the first videos where you actually don't have to build the software yourself, but yet you get all the benefits of what software does as an affiliate, and you can scale and make an extra $2, $3, $5, $10, $20, $30,000 per month or more, whatever you want, depending on how big you want to scale this. So you have two options that you can do right now. And the link in the description below, you can start on a free 5-day trial yourself. Try this Instagram software yourself and see the results. And at the 5-day trial, especially if you have a good following, and I'll make some other videos of like what's the best people to use this software, but you're going to want to use it even as a customer. Or if you want to join a distributor team, that's what I'm doing right now, where I'm getting up to 50% of the monthly recurring revenue, meaning I'm making anywhere from $100 to $200, $300 per month profit per customer. That's something that I can also introduce you to as well. So if you want to go ahead and look at that, you can check out the links in the description below. I'll have a link. The first link will be a 5-day trial if you want to just test the software out yourself. But if you want to become an affiliate and join the affiliate team and sell this particular software, the second link will be a link to my Instagram. I have a brand new Instagram that I opened up just for this. You can check out the video, send me a message on Instagram, tell me that, hey, I just saw your video on the software affiliate marketing. Can you tell me more about it? I'll hop on a call with you and I'll just share. I'm not here to sell you anything. I just want to share this crazy opportunity that I want to scale to the moon and take this to the next level. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video sharing more information about SaaS affiliate marketing. Take care.